Hey y'all, Irix Guy here, back again with another 2024 Acura Integra video. Now within this video, I've rotated my tires and I want to achieve about 35 PSI in the front and about 33 PSI in the rear. So looking in the app or looking at the display in the dash, after the tires are cool, obviously when you've been driving around, they heat up and the PSI increases. But what I need to do is get the two fronts to match and add a little bit, and then that way when I drive it for the first time, I'll know if I put in enough. If not, I will add some more. But I'm going to have about a 2 PSI increase in the front tires over the rear, because again, my objective while driving is to achieve 35 PSI in the two fronts and then 33 PSI in the two rear tires. And what I'm going to use is this little pump right here. It's plugged into my little thing. Now don't get this on your seat, man, because Acura seats will get dirty. This has been touching tires, man. It's been touching tires. So what I'm going to do is take this out here and I'm going to put some air in my front tires. And you know, like I said, I'll monitor, because it's not going to be 35 PSI until I drive. You know, my objective is once I drive and tires are warmed up, I'm going to have 35 in the front and 33 in the rear. So to check your tire pressure, I wouldn't start the engine. I would just put it in accessory mode, and you can scroll up on this until you get to this screen. And you'll see my car is cool right now because I haven't driven it in a day. But if I look at the front, 29, 28, 30, and 29. So my objective is to get about 35 PSI for the fronts while I'm driving when the tires are warm, and about 33 PSI for the rears. So what I'm going to do is take, while the car is cool, I'm going to have about a 2 PSI discrepancy. So the two fronts are going to be 2 PSI more than the two rears. So let's go ahead and put some air in the tires, and I'll show you what we got while we're cold here. Okay, so now everything's perfect for cold tires. 32 PSI in the front, 30 PSI in the rear. And my expectation is that this will probably go up by a couple PSI or so. So if I need to add a little bit more, I can. But after I drive, I'm going to check the tire pressure and see if I'm achieving 35 in the front tires and 30 PSI in the rear tires. So this is, it was just a recommendation I found online for Acura Integra. This is 2024 Acura Integra, but it was a recommendation, 35 PSI in the front and 33 PSI in the rear. Obviously check with your authorized Acura dealer if you have any questions, but this is how I aired up my tires, and I've got everything perfectly balanced. Thanks for your viewership. Be sure to subscribe, ring that bell, and check out all my other car videos too. Y'all have a good day. Hey y'all, Captain Irix Guy here. I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to subscribe. It's youtube.com/Irix Guy. And ring that bell icon when you do to be notified whenever I post another video. Thanks for your viewership, and y'all have a good day.